Amazingly, steel's tensile strength is even greater than its compression strength, meaning you can dangle more weight from a steel wire than you could stack on top of a steel girder of equal weight.
With a bridge strand or a wire rope, you can gain a strength level approximately 3.5 times what you would have with an equivalent amount of plate or I-beam. So you can gain the strength without the mass.
But turning a thick piece of steel into a slender strand of wire is no easy job. It takes some seriously powerful equipment, like the machines here at WireCo in Kansas City, Missouri. In an average shift, the company transforms 123 tons of steel into wire.
We make wire ropes that are as small as, say, a 32nd of an inch diameter, all the way up to 5-inch diameter.
But how do you turn a steel rod that's 11 millimeters thick and 1,000 feet long into a wire that's 80,000 feet long and only 4 millimeters thick? Turns out, it's just like making taffy. You just have to pull a whole lot harder.
Then the strands go immediately into what we call the dies, where the rope is formed. And then from this point on, the double drum capstans are used to pull the material, pull the finished rope through the machine.
It takes more than 11,000 pounds of force to pull one steel rod through the tiny opening in the dies. But as the wire is drawn out, something incredible happens. Unlike materials such as aluminum and plastic, which become weaker as they are stretched thin, steel responds to the stress in the opposite way.
When you draw it and you put preferential stresses in it, that's when you will actually increase the strength and actually improve its ductility and its fatigue resistance.
And this strength can be magnified by weaving the wires together into a single, giant braid of high tensile steel.
Really amazing how they come, you get 30 wires and it comes down here and makes this finished strand comes out here.
It will take 1.7 million pounds to pull that strand in two, to break it.
And that's good news to the guys building a new bridge across the Mississippi near St. Paul, Minnesota.